All right, Georgia Sports Cards here. We are doing a box of 2016 Donruss Optic Baseball. Good luck, guys. We're doing this one divisional. Good luck, good luck. J, BKVG, and GreenL53 on this one. Basically, a couple spots apiece. My last box of Optic. Good luck. Rookies, prisms, and hits. No vet base ships. All right, good luck, guys. Good luck, good luck.
This is the second round pick who has struggled early in the preseason. Listen, man, sometimes you've got to struggle before you find greatness. Washington won again.
All right, we got Odubel Herrera for the Phillies. NL East. That is Buzz. 119 of 299. Adam Wainwright. 64 of 99 for the Cardinals. Cardinals NL Central, that is J. Jose Altuve for the Astros. 119 of 299. AL West, GreenL. Manny Machado for the O's. That is 19 of 99. AL East and J. AJ Pollock. Diamondbacks, 74 of 299. NL West, Buzz. Brian Dozier for the Twins, AL Central. 144 of 199. GreenL. Matt Kemp. Padres. That is 299. NL West, Buzz. Jeremy Hazelbaker for the Cardinals. NL Central, 299. Trevor Story, it's nice. For the Rockies, to 199, 50 of 199. Jonathan Lucroy for the Brewers. NL Central, 199. J. Edgar Martinez for the Mariners. 72 of 99. AL West. GreenL. Yoenis Cespedes for the Mets. To 149. NL East and Buzz. Prince Fielder. 299. That is for the Rangers. AL West. That is GreenL. Story went to NL West and Buzz. BKVG. The Chicken. Going to the Padres. NL West to 149. NL West, that is Buzz. Zach Greinke to 99. That is for the Royals. Back to the Future. AL Central, that's GreenL. We getting no hits or what? They hiding? There's one. Zach Davies, Milwaukee Brewers, NL Central. There you go, Jay. Jay on the board first. Jose Bautista to 149. Toronto Blue Jays. AL East, that is Jay. Billy Burns for the A's. AL West, GreenL to 149. Jock Peterson for the Dodgers, 299. NL West, Buzz. Garrett Cole, that is to 50, 38 of 50 for the Pirates. NL Central, that is Jay. And our last hit is Lucas Giolito for the Nationals. As NL East and Buzz. Buzz getting the second hit there. That is base. Base autograph. Yadier Molina for the Cardinals to 299. NL Central, that is Jay. That was a box, guys. Definitely appreciate that there. A couple guys getting the hit.